In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Superman by Keith Urban. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Here's a new one by Keith Urban, a great guitar player and singer from Down Under. And this one is called Superman. Relatively simple. It's got 4 chords in it. And by the way, please subscribe. I hope you like what you're seeing, and I'd love to hear from you as well. So leave a comment, whatever you got, hit me up. So this one starts out, the intro is A, B, C sharp minor. And then it uses a passing chord, E. So it sounds like. So that's just a passing, that E is just a passing chord. So that's basically the not only the intro and the verse, but it's also the chord changes for the chorus. There's a couple of little passing chords that I'll show you. And then you'll notice that the song itself opens up in the chorus, so it's tight in the verse. Pick up that B. Kind of random though. But if you can get this groove going, that's going to take you right through the song. Now one thing I noticed, that there's obviously a couple other guitars and some other parts going. He does a kind of, there's a little little twiddly-do there. And when he goes to the solo, it's kind of clever. He does, for those of you that are interested, I think he gets a really simple, he works that B note, and then he takes a slide and puts that on and goes all the way up to an F sharp. And that's some of the solo stuff. But he keeps it really simple and in the alley on this one. He doesn't really stray very far. So the main thing on this one is getting that groove going. I call those stabs when you go. So that's Superman by Keith Urban. Really simple, little bitty, but a cool song. He has a way of doing a lot with very little, and that's one of the things I like about him. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.